song will be my last. Yeah. This song is called Million Dreams, and I hope every one of you know this song, and if you guys know this song, you all can sing with me. Okay. Close my eyes and I can see the world start waiting for me. That I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so cold and crazy. We can live in the world that we desire. 'Cause every night and night and day, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me away. Of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, it's wonder to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so cold and crazy. Run away to the world that we design. 'Cause every night and night and day, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. We may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you agree along. To the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. For a million dreams, for the world we're gonna make. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. Thank you.
Thank you, gently. Are we still feeling the music? Yes, okay, because there's more magic coming your way. Ladies and gentlemen, you all know him. I know him, you know him. He's a seasoned singer. Please welcome 𝙤𝙤𝘲𝙗𝙗 on the stage. Well, I could see the girls going crazy. He has beautiful numbers for you. He will be followed by 𝙗𝘼𝙏𝙗𝙗, will be followed by 𝘂𝘂, and then the continuation will go on. The night is still young and the music is far from over. So stay with us till the end and let the rhythm carry you through this beautiful evening. The night is still young. Sit back, relax, enjoy the evening.
Hello, people. Are you guys having fun? Okay, come on. You guys better sing with me, alright? So the first song which I'm gonna sing is like it's for all the girls out here, for all the beautiful girls, and some beautiful aunties as well. So the song is called "Girl, You Are My Love." Okay.
Girl, you are my love. You're my heart and soul. You're my shining star. My love is just for you. I'll be feeling blue, living without you. And every step I want to make, I want to share my love with you, right till the end of time.
Come on, you guys sing with me.
I want to hold you by my side. I want to make you stay tonight. Girl, somehow I know deep inside your heart that you need my tender touch. Girl, somehow I know deep inside your heart that you need my tender touch. Girl, you are my love. You're my heart and soul. You're my shining star. My love is just for you. I'll be feeling blue, living without you. Every breath that I take, and every step I want to make, I want to share my love with you, right till the end of time.
Come on, sing with me.
I want to hold you by my side. I want to make you stay tonight. Girl, somehow I know deep inside your heart that you need my tender touch. Girl, somehow I know deep inside your heart that you need my tender touch. Girl, somehow I know deep inside your heart that you need my tender touch. Girl, somehow I know deep inside your heart that you need my tender touch.
Wow. Thank you. That was my first song. And this next song is a song which I sing like most. So this song is one of my favorite, and it's called "Stay" by Rihanna.
All along it was a fever, a cold sweat, hard-headed believer. I threw my hands in the air and said, show me something. He said, if you do, come a little closer. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. It's not much of a life you live. It's not just something you take, it's given. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. Ooh, the reason I hold on. Ooh, 'cause I need this hold on. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. 'Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us is caving. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. Stay. I want you to stay.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll be back after a while.
Thank you so much, Lander. Music like this reminds us why life moments matter most. Full of heart, energy, and connection. Full of heart for the girls, especially. Thank you so much. Next up, we have 𝚲𝘼𝙏𝙗𝙗 on the stage. We will welcome her together once again. Give her a loud round of applause. Thank you for the support. 𝚲𝘼𝙏𝙗 represents the Liang Mai community. She came all the way from Tamenglong to sing beautiful numbers for all of you. She did Bachelor of Music from Shishak School of Music, Nagaland. I think she needs another applause again, yes? Okay, come on, give her another round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your 𝚲𝘼𝙏𝙗. She'll be singing 2 songs for us and she will be followed by another singer.
Hello, check, check. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bliss. You might not know me, but you will know the song that I'll be singing. So sing along with me, the song called Try by Pink.
Sometimes I think that it's better to never ask why. Where there is desire, there is gonna be a flame. Where there is a flame, someone's bound to get burned. But just because it burns doesn't mean you're gonna die. You gotta get up and try, try, try. You gotta get up and try, try, try. You gotta get up and try, try, try. Funny how the heart can be deceiving, more than just a couple times. Why do we fall in love so easy, even when it's not right? Where there is desire, there is gonna be a flame. Where there is a flame, someone's bound to get burned. But just because it burns doesn't mean you're gonna die. You gotta get up and try, try, try. You gotta get up and try, try, try. You gotta get up and try, try, try. Never worry that it might be ruined. Doesn't make you wanna cry. When you're like that, what you doing? Tell me you're just getting by. Tell me are you just getting by, by, by. Where there is desire, there is gonna be a flame. Where there is a flame, someone's bound to get burned. But just because it burns doesn't mean you're gonna die. You gotta get up and try, try, try. 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 The next song is Unstoppable. I know you all know this song, so yeah, sing along. Oh, smiles, I know what it takes to fool this down. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Leave my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Yeah, I put my armor on, show you how strong
unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Break down, only alone I will cry out now. You'll never see what's hiding out, hiding out deep down. Yeah, yeah. I know, afraid that you let your feelings show. It's the only way to make friendships grow, but I'm too afraid now. Yeah, yeah. I put my armor on, show you how strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. I put my armor on, show you how strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, 𝙗𝘼𝙏𝙗. That was such a beautiful number. She will be back again. And every once in a while, an artist comes along whose voice carries both passion and poetry. He is one such soul, a gifted singer, songwriter, and a seasoned heartthrob. Tonight, he's here to remind us of the beauty of live music. Please give a warm welcome for 𝑦𝑢ng on the stage. My goodness. Keep it lively. If you know the song, feel free to sing along. Are you guys enjoying the night? Are you guys enjoying the night? We're happy if you're enjoying. Ladies and gentlemen, another applause for 𝑦𝑢ng on the stage.
Hi all. Chắc nào go. First of booking non guy crane nào boko kyo. Let's go. Murdering heart chapri na mai won nga thor sing ran ka shok tha da ma ting ri bom ngai shon ze mi bom da na nga lem li ka zin khai la ma thai na li ka ho a tâm chi vi ring ka pa Kasa na mi gray na charu tanga sa 𝘔𝘉𝘔𝘉 Anyway lung chan shim lấy shi la la mây we must see lung li no naira aje ini lấy sha no ka hai karu karan ka one ram mirina tam khi lắm thứ hàng sân phư si đô mà nó rồi bay shi na mirina tâm hình hạt ri atam na cát thủy mà man mà won shon lấy bay cái gì khi yên chỉ na 𝘔𝘉𝘔𝘉 Anyway lung chan shim lấy shi la la mây we must see lung li no naira aje ini lấy sha chukru kayu lung na maka paning tam singen lung shi lung li shimit kai mai won shakali shitsa chukru kayu lung na maka paning tam singen lung shi lung li shimit kai mai won shakali shitsa won ching lo na va wi lay shi karevana ma paning sa ma ti ri ka hai ka zor ka sa na mi kai na cha ru dang sa gra shi va ka chan nei anyway lung chan shi mai shi la la mai we must see lung li no hai ra aje ini lai sha no ka hai karu. Thank you. Chị Hôi rồi. Sao rồi ạ? Sao rồi? Now we rode happy and she thác con chọn we gặp phần lấy xa lung ly cái xin ác ôn khăng ở rung we mi ri ta tôi we dinh van cả số cao cầu ini sempang tang wi linga lấy cha bao pay rum na ka phung pay li ngơ ban ka rất lấy truy ta khâu ini ring ka pachi ka shu ka lương li ngơ truy truy yang cho ni lấy xa vi phong thơ mi quý sơ chỉ ai mai truy lấy xa vi mi ri chỉ ai mai truy lấy xa vi mi ri cái tên ngày lý Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ we pong kermi quisa a chon na li cho ta chuk ma chu thăng ili phang ngung ngung lấy xa đôi Next l'équipe en picture, Samuel s'en vient. Next solo ina ko ai last ina solo je itu mission du thabi grada sao se mwah. It took me show. It took me show. Hey, 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 hey. Hang low, ha. Sang Sarah, sang Sarah. It's a me window. Malumashan yellow. Will I now a coat? Cookies on the pogas on me, manning my coat. Nagala she a clutching kana young she. Micah yapum, it's a muyum rum. Nagala she a clutching kana young she. Micah yapum, it's a muyum rum to me show. It's a me show. It's another lashina, none of Patmata, yeah. Me ring me, I'm a kind of me a loo. It's a Jawi more, it's a Jana Poon. Read the lucky man of Poon, here we cruise, here we cruise. See, rock a chama, then think, cut him on a red. None of way, Kirk, eat a bang sin. But turn my car right, here we curry, tongue la red. Here we come a land, mong na pa siren we van. Makanang mi malum mission be a loo. It's a Jawi more, it's a Jawi van. Read the lucky man of Pura, here we cruise, here we cruise. Nakala talashi, kachum kana yashi. Micah yapam, it's a muyum ram. Nakala talashi, kachum kana yashi. Micah yapam. It's a muyum ram to me show. It's a weekend show. Mama tweez at the law. Razan Naika, Razan Kalailo. Ukanabo Shon, Ralana. Aya, a John Tang, the pat of Sapamda. Ukanabo Shon, la na na na. Aya, John Tang, the pat of Sapamda. Never young she shone ra. Quick a liar and look at you bump on chilla. Come she it's a na you quita. Bottom low and sunning telka by my lima. Shoka high go. Nakala tamana pamalo. She rock a jama tang thing cut him on a rim. Not a play currently eat a bang sin. Not there my car right you we curry on a rim. You can come and live. I'm not passing around. Now me malum mission be a loo. It's a Jawi more, it's a Jawi land. Riddle lucky man of Pura, here we cruise, here we cruise. Hang low, ha. Sang Sarah, it's a Jawi wrinkle. Malum mission be a low. Ilang may nawag cookies on the borders. Manning my coat, Nakala delay, she could catch him kinda young she. Micah yapam, it's a muyum rum. Nakala delay, she could catch him kinda young she. Micah yapam, it's a muyum rum. Tell me show. Tell me show. Ooh, thank you guys.
Yung will be back again. Lander will be back again. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for please 𝙗𝘼𝙏. Keep the cheers alive. We'll be back again. Do we have any male crowd here? Yeah? Can we hear a shout from all of you? Another shout, please. This song is for you.
Hello again. I am happy to be here. This song is called I Will Survive. I just want to say that we are powerful and we are unstoppable. At first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never leave without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so your body ran out of space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that tough luck. I should have made sure live your key. If I'd known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Do you think I crumble? You think I lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my love to live, and I've got all my love to give. I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. It took all the strength not to fall apart, just trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me, somebody new. I'm not that chain, I'm a little person still in love with you. I know you felt like ripping and just expect me to be free. That I'm saving all my loving for someone who's loving me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Do you think I crumble? Do you think I lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my love to live, and I've got all my love to give. I'll survive. I will survive. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Do you think I crumble? You think I lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my love to live, and I've got all my love to give. I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. Thank you. The next song, I'm sure you'll know this song. This song is called What's Up? And if you don't know these lyrics, it goes like, hey, yay, yay, yay. What's going on? Make that one. My apologies. I will have to switch a song. Um, but I'm sure you know this song. It's called Beggin'. Put your loving hand out, baby, as I'm begging. Begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast 'cause I had everything. I walked away, you want me there, but easy come and easy go when you want. And so anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel you get me, no. Anytime I seek you, let me know. But the plan is see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, 'cause I don't want to lose you. Hey, yeah, da 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 da. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Tried so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want to be in. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow of my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know what even stand a devil's chance to win my soul. What we're doing, what we're chasing, what the bottom, what the basement, what we got, but she don't embrace it. What I feel for the need to replace me in the wrong way, try from the good. I wanna paint a picture, tell me where it could be at. Like a heart in the best way should. You can give it away, you had and you took the pay. But I keep walking on, keep opening doors, keep hoping for the door is yours, keep hoping for. 'Cause I don't wanna live in a broken home, that I'm begging. Yeah, yeah, I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I'm fighting hard to hold my own, just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on and I can't fall back. I'm just a combat, a fade of black. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out. Thank you.
Is the evening treating you right? Okay, I think you did not get my question, but thank you for the yes For those who understood, is this evening treating you right? Okay, that's more like it. We have got hardcore fans here for please. Thank you. Okay, Lender will perform next, followed by Yung. So I just stood here to remind you that the night is still young. You still have time to enjoy. You will only go back home, get back to your phone and sleep, right? So why not stay the evening? Stay, sit there, relax. All right? Are we ready? Are we ready? Give it up for Lender Kamsen. Thank you.
Check. Hello. 𝘖𝙗𝗔𝗚𝗃𝙏𝗏𝘔𝘌𝘚. So this is one of my original songs, and me and my cousin wrote this song. The song is called Tuna.
Tuna đang biến xa lâu mấy lần coi cả đêm mơ ở chân nàng khâu đã sinh lâu cánh bay tay bu cây thủy bờ nâng tay chừng mấy khâu nâng khám cái mi quang ta cần nê khang cùng em lên gai khâu ban khana dễ bằng mây ta phải xe đến tâm cơ mà là ta cần em phải xe đến tâm cơ mà là ta cần em nâng cái quàng khăn ngoài Tuna đến lâu na ba keng xin na kha su ni thế xa lâu na tim băng lời thinh băng kha tháo rồi rơi xa khi xưa
Sing it.
Tuna nang tamu mang thang sini man khang cùng nghe lên gai khâu ban khana dễ bằng mây ta phải xe đến tâm tư mà là ta cần nghe phải xe đến tâm tư mà là ta cần nghe Tuna cài mấy dù ở trên ngón khâu roan gọi khang công nghe lãnh gai khâu ban khana dễ băng mây ta phải xa đến tam cứ mà là tất cả nề phải xa đến tam cứ mà là tất cả nề
Good day, good day.
Manipur.
Xong sao xí? Sing it. Sing with me.
𝘍𝘍𝘍𝘍
Thank you guys. Aksi dah solo song agak siap sih ya. You guys want to sing? Come on. Jello. Shout with me, alright?
Come on, Lee. 𝘖𝘲𝘼𝙏𝙏 show. Ngazin ra hai kha, ngeli hon pam show. Kini. Naung ra lida, even ngerai show. Never we do it, but like a high love. We could shake the cheetah, now we are making love. Now we even louder, but like a high love. When the color mirroring me, now we found cold the mouth. Ngazin ra hai kha, ngeli hon pam show. Come on, Lee. 𝘖𝘲𝘼𝙏𝙏 show. Now ra lida, even ngerai show.
Are you guys having fun? Are you guys really having fun? Okay, come on. Sing with me, right?
Cho được tâm lý ý mang bật thang khuy nếu ý lý cái gì chi phá ninh ông là khờ cho được tâm lý ý mang suy khuy nếu ý lý cái gì chi yêu ý bằng sếp
Come on, you guys, come on.
Come on, Lee. 𝘖𝘲𝘼𝙏𝙏 show. Ngazin ra hai kha, ngeli hon pam show. Come on, Lee. 𝘖𝘲𝘼𝙏𝙏 show. Naung ra lida, even ngerai show.
Thank you guys, thank you so much. Oh, now I would like to call up a friend. You guys want to see me and you perform together here on the stage? Okay, Jello, we'll do it.
Pathiyalu no ipakame o ila Pathiyaka iwipakame. Sang bên nào chơi cô? Inni winni panin ate naya. Inna winni kachang la patima. mơ niềm thời mang nơ mi cả tay ta da sa khare ka ho ilima lima
You guys can come out in front, okay? A little bit closer. You guys can come.
Just kafuka Nalila shira kama Kasaska puma satuka Dana heka mai baraji kairi Like a shiva mushu Ukluma kameru Marayu black lulu Tuituga kalatu Masai kanama Kapari mungashum Malay nala ima pura mara Here we cruise
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You guys have
Good
a
night.
wonderful
You
night.
have a wonderful night. Eh? Love you too.
Did you enjoy the evening? Oh, I like this microphone better. Okay, you enjoyed tonight. We still have live tomorrow, and day after tomorrow we have fashion show, the Genesis, and the next day we have rock music. Are you all coming? Yeah. Are you all joining us? Yeah. We'll be coming too. Let's enjoy the night together again, and tonight we will wind up here. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for the vibe. We enjoyed along with you. Have a very good night.